Welcome to the Z-Hut. Today we're going to take a look at the rival RC61 rice cooker that also comes with a steaming tray, which is nice because all the rice cookers I've had before have never had that feature, so that's going to be nice to have. Now, I picked this up today. I got it for $15.99 at my local unclaimed freight store. I wasn't sure if I was getting a deal or not because the aroma I bought was $13.99 or $14.99 not too long ago. But because this had the steaming tray and I go through rice cookers pretty quick, I figured I'd take a chance, and I did good. I looked this up on eBay, and it would appear I got this for about half, if not even a little better than what the average price on eBay. I've seen them anywhere from about $30 to $40. So I think I did good. All right, well, let's open this up, take a look at the build quality and what all it comes with. Now, I have not opened this. This is still factory sealed. They didn't tape it shut. But hey, if you don't need tape, why waste it? All right. So we got a styrofoam insert here. There is our lid. Bag out. Plastic handle. Got the little hole. Pretty much looks identical to all my other rice cooker lids. Actually, it looks about the same size as the aroma. That would be cool if I could keep the old lid for a spare. Now here's the steaming tray. Well, it's pretty thin. They didn't put any non-stick on there. They could have done something with that. I don't know. I guess there's not much of a chance you're going to burn anything to this steaming, so I guess not bad. A little flimsy, but well, I paid $15.99, but if you're paying $40 for it, I don't know. They could have improved on that a little. Next, we got the measuring cup. This pretty much looks like what they give you at the doctor's office to tell you to go in the bathroom and fill it up. I think I will just stick with my normal measuring cups that I have. This will go in the garage. Not a super big deal. I mean, the aroma cooker did come with a nice measuring cup. I do got to give them credit for that. All right, this and the insert looks identical to the aroma. I mean, if I put them side to side, if my Roma one has some scratches in the bottom. If it didn't, I wouldn't be able to tell them apart. It's got the no-stick coating. These aren't super thick, but they're not made, to last forever. So, not bad. It's okay. All right, another piece of styrofoam. And we got the side of the box. We got a manual and Hola, Aurorcia, or Urquia, whatever. So that must be the Spanish, and then it's English. And what to do before your first use. Well, of course, remove all the packaging and wash it. I don't know. I think I'm going to put all the packaging back in and then plug it in and throw some rice in. What do you think of that? All right, there's a little cooking chart on here of how long to steam vegetables. Not very handy. This is probably just going to go in the garbage. All right. Then there's the little spatula spoon, identical to the one that came with the aroma, identical to the one that came with my Black & Decker rice cooker. They probably are all made in the same factory. This is your standard little plastic spatula spoon. All right. Here's the body. And you know what? There really is not much difference between this. Let me grab it. There's my aroma. I'm looking at it, and you know what? The screws on the inside are the same. The only difference on this is the handles. And the plastic thing in the front and the feet are a little different. I wouldn't be surprised. Interchangeable. Interchangeable. You know what? I would not be surprised if these were not made in the same factory. And what they do is they just do a few cosmetic things and charge you $20-some more because it has a steamer attachment. And I guess that's how the steamer attachment would go. But for a rice cooker, the build quality, it's okay. If I was buying one of those super expensive $100 rice cookers, I would expect a lot more. But the steamer is going to be interesting to try. I haven't had one of those before. I kind of expected it to sit down in there a little more, but all right. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this, what the heck, I'll give it a 9. It's not that bad. If I had to pay the full $40 for it, I don't think I'd be giving it a 9 right now. I'd probably be giving it more like a 7.5 or 8. Price-wise, I don't see $20-some for this and a cheesier pea cup for a measuring cup. Spatula is the same as it came with this. Like I said, by looking at them, I mean, everything's interchangeable, which is kind of nice because this cooker is still usable. It's just I was in Unclaimed Freight, seen this, and I'm like, what the heck, buy it. Because this will eventually wear out. I use the heck out of these. I use this several times a week to cook stuff. Everything from boiling eggs to cooking eggs in the morning to pork chops, cooking chicken. I cook chicken in these all the time. Works great. Works great. Make sure to subscribe. I do videos on rice cooking primarily. I'm the electronics channel, but I do the occasional rice cooker video. So, all right, we'll go ahead and wrap this up. You can find this on eBay, so I'm sure you can find it on Amazon as well. As for Walmarts or other stores, I have no idea. I just got lucky and ran across this in Unclaimed Freight. So thanks for joining us here at the Z Hut today. Hope you found this information useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it very much. So with that, we'll just say I hope you have a great day. And remember, you can cook a whole heck of a lot more than just rice in a rice cooker.